Well, hey y'all. Today I thought I'd take you on a trip around the viewpoints here in Pattaya, some of the great viewpoints around Pratumnak Hill. And we're going to start with the Koh Pratumnak viewpoint, which is the low one, down here right on the water and right at the entrance to the pier. So there's Koh Larn. It's the ferry and all the speedboats taking folks over. It's a nice day trip. There are a couple hotels over there too, so if you want to spend the night, stay a little bit longer, you can spend however many days you want on the island. You can walk here from Bali High Pier, from Walking Street. Just want to take a stroll along the water. Just work your way around. And you go up the steps over there and work your way up to the Pattaya sign. Lots of nice shady places to sit and take a break or just enjoy the view for a little bit. Okay, so motored up to the Pattaya sign viewpoint, give you a little look from higher up. Definitely recommend driving over walking. Great view. Nice little cafe to take a break with a great view. Or if you want to come to the viewpoint to work out, I guess. Get your sweat on up here, that's for sure. Make the walk up the hill and then workout in. And now Big Buddha. Just remember when you do visit here, it is a temple, so dress appropriately and be respectful. They love their fireworks here. Bonus location. I'm at the Pratumnak Mountain overlook. It's a military monument. Time to eat, have lunch with a view. Some souvenir shops. Lunch was delicious. I think it was 50 baht. Ice cream and smoothies. Ooh, 30 baht smoothies, that's pretty tempting. There's so much to see and do in Pattaya. Don't let anybody tell you it's a town with nothing to do but sit in bars and drink. Absolutely not true. Anybody saying that doesn't know what they're talking about, or that's the kind of life they've chosen. Someone asked in the comments recently what I do for fun. Well, I just killed half a day all on Pratumnak Hill, all the different viewpoints, taking you around to show you. That's fun for me. I'll see you in the next one.